Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free TikTok coins in 2025. So as you can see guys, I have over 200,000 coins right now, bro. So I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on TikTok. So what you got to do is go to your browser and go to tweakmod.com. So once you're on the website guys, go to the search bar, type in TikTok, press install. It's going to start downloading the modded TikTok app where you can get free coins just like I had. So now we're going to wait for it to download here. As you can see, shouldn't take that long, but let's just give it a second to load up. Alright, so before it downloads, we are going to see something telling us that we need to download some missing files, but this is completely for free and they're from the App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here. As you can see. Alright, so it's almost done. Alright, so we're at the end now. So basically guys, before we can get the TikTok mod, we do have to do these apps you gotta download. So as you can see, we got complete 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. So it's gonna be all these apps. So just pick 2 of them. Travel Town, you gotta down to reach level 10, so that's pretty easy. So you just play through it, and yeah, so make sure you do 2 of the apps, and then you will get the free TikTok coins modded app. So yeah, it's super cool. So as you can see, I'm able to play. So this actually works. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, it's pretty simple. So yeah, definitely go ahead, try it out. Just make sure you do 2 of the apps. It doesn't matter which ones, but yeah. So all of these apps here, we got Merge Gardens. You got to reach level 9, whatever. So I'll see you guys later. But that's how to get the TikTok coin mod for free coins in 2025. So fully working, guys. Be sure to go ahead and try it out and tell your friends about it. It's super cool. And yeah, no jailbreak needed. So I'll see you guys later and peace out.